Hello everyone, this is Fazlur Rahman here from codebook.in. Hope you are enjoying my project videos. Today I brought you a new project on cloud computing domain, and the concept of the project is secure and expressive data access control for cloud storage. This project is having a smart title, short title, which is nothing but Cryptcloud++. Now let us see the project execution step by step. This is the landing page of the project you can see here. And let me tell you what are the technologies which we are using for this project is nothing but for front-end technologies, we are using HTML5, CSS3, and JavaScript. For backend programming, we are using Python here along with the Django framework. Database, we are using MySQL here. And also this project is integrated using AWS real-time cloud as well. Now, this project is having 5 different types of users. Cloud is one, authority is second, auditor is third, data owner is fourth, and data user is fifth. These 5 users are interacting with the project. To have a better explanation about the project and execution flow, I am going to execute all these 5 different users in 5 different tabs, such that there is no need to log out each and every time from the users. So assume that this tab is for cloud, first tab, and second tab, let me open, right click and open link in new tab for authority. Next tab for auditor, next register for data owner, and register for data user. These 5 different tabs. Let's go to first of all data owner and try to register here. So data owner is this. Let's try to register as a data owner here. We need to create an account. So let's provide the name. Profile picture. Email ID. Provide the valid email ID because we are going to receive some sort of emails here. We are using email API in this project. Password. And password, you can see what are the validations we need to perform. A lowercase letter should be there. A capital uppercase, a number should be there, minimum 8 characters. So capital C, this is done. L, this lowercase is also done. Number and minimum 8 characters. OUD @ 1 2 3. So this is the password. Now let's try to register. Registration successfully done. Let's try to log in here. The same credentials. And you can see it says the application will response here. Your account is not activated. So here, registration process is completed as a data owner, but our account as a data owner is not accepted by the cloud authorities. Let's go to cloud here. Then I will log in with cloud. This is the dashboard of the cloud, and you can see some information we are displaying here, like how many data owners are there, how many data users, how many uploaded files, requested files. Okay, only one data owner is there. Let's go to data owner and check here. What's that? This is the data owner, you can see. And the registration has taken place 0 minutes ago. And whether we need to accept this request as a owner or not, we can do that. Let me click on accept here. Accepted. Now this data owner will be able to log into the application. Let's log in using the same credentials. Login is successful and we are redirected to the dashboard of the data owner. Okay, welcome to Codebook. Now here, there's an option here. 3 options are there basically. 3 actions will be performed by the data owner majorly. One is the file upload in the cloud server, view the files from the cloud server, and my profile. He can check his profile. Let's go to file upload and try to upload a file here. Enter, okay, file name, let's say cloud data. Description of the file is about cloud computing. Whether it's public or private, let's make it as public. Drop file here, or we can upload, click here, and I'll upload the file from the desktop. Let's select this file, submit. Successfully done. Let's try to upload another file. Private, upload. You can see it's not coming here because we are unable to upload such kind of files. Only textual data is entertained here. Okay, text data. Let's go to documents and try to upload a file here. And I'm making it as private. Let's submit this. Successfully done. Now here, if I go to view files, you will notice that there are two different files are available from the same data owner. If you want, we can search the file. Like if I type here COD, you can see simultaneously when I typing here, when I'm typing, it's filtering the data. CL if I do, you can see based on the file name, it's filtering the records here. Done. Now the next thing, my profile, I can check here from my profile. This is my profile here. And let's go to user now and try to register a new user. Let's try to create an account. Profile image. Mobile number. Date of birth, something here. Email ID. Password, let's say the password is this. Okay, all are validated. Register. Registration successfully done. Let's try to log in here. Email ID is this. And when you log in, you can see here the server responded with a message here, your account is not activated. So let's go to our cloud, and this is the cloud dashboard. Data user is there here, and there is a data user whose status is not still in pending. We can click on this accept button to accept the user account. Server response is accepted. Now let's come back to, after accepted, you can see here only reject option is available. Now let's come back to data user. Let's see what is there in data access here. Okay, cloud data and coding. These two files are there from this owner. So we need to accept these two files. Let's accept from cloud as well. One file I have accepted, cloud data. Let's come back to user. And let's try to log in. Now login is successful. Search file is the option. Let's go to search file. And you can see only one file is available for me here, whereas the cloud contains two files. Okay. Cloud contains two files, but here I can access one file here. What's the reason? Let me show you. If I go to cloud again, data access, if I select this file, if I accept this coding file also, okay. Let's see. Accepted. Now in user, if I go and if I refresh here, still you can see it is not displaying because the second file is private, whereas the first file is public. Private files only up to the owner itself. They are not to the users. So this file is accessible to the public because at the time of uploading, the data owner has selected as public. Now, This user, if he wants to access this file, he need to make a request. Okay, let's click on request here. Or if I click on download directly, I need to have the secret key and okay key, which is not there with me. So I need to go to that file and request. Let's click on request. Now the request has been sent. In the data owner, it's not visible. It will be going to the other user. Let's go to authority. And log in with the authority credentials. Welcome. And you can see here, one user, okay, is requesting, this user is requesting this file, which is of owner codebook. A request has been received by the authority for this file. Okay, let's try to accept this. This is accepted and no pending files are there. Okay, the authority will have this option only, this action only they can do. They will accept the ongoing request from the users for the files. Now, what's there in auditor? Let's log in with auditor as well. Auditor is having two actions here, attack the details and trace. In the attack details, the files which users are trying to access by providing wrong key credentials will be coming here. Okay, if I give wrong key, then it will be displayed in this auditor section. Attack the files. Some user, some intruder or hacker, unknown person tries to access your files, data owner files, then the key is mismatched, then this will come here. Now the auditor can revoke the account. He can revoke the user account, reject or block the user account. Now here, let's go to user and let's try to download this file now. Hopefully, these two keys we have received in our mail. Let's go and check my mail whether I have got the keys or not. First is secret key. Second is the file key. If I provide wrongly, my account will be revoked here. So I'll not do that. Let me provide the actual keys. Submit. And now you can see the download option is available. I can click on this download button and the file will be downloaded here. This is the actual file. The data is being read here. Okay, the file is downloaded. Under my downloads also, it will be displayed here. You can see this file is downloaded. Your request is accepted and this file we have downloaded. If you provide wrong key, okay, then the auditor will get the information. Okay, so when you provide the keys correct only, then only the download will come, otherwise not. So this was the simple project explanation. I tried to explain the complete project in a short video. Hope you got it. If you're not getting anything, if you have any issues with the explanation execution, you can get back to me. The number has been given, or you can ping me on WhatsApp as well. With this, I conclude the project execution. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. Bye for now.